In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the PIN on your Bank of America card. Changing your card's PIN is an important step for maintaining security and ensuring you have full control over your finances. Whether you suspect your PIN may have been compromised or you're simply looking to update it for added security, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to navigate to the Global Card Access website. It's the designated portal where you can manage various aspects of your Bank of America card, including your PIN. Make sure you have your login credentials handy because we'll need them in the next step. Open up your web browser and type in the URL or use your search engine to find the site. It's important to visit the official website to ensure your account details remain secure. Once you're on the Global Card Access site, the next step is to log in with your credentials. If you haven't registered yet, you'll find options to create an account, but for this process, we're assuming you're already registered. Carefully enter your username and password and click the login button. Make sure there are no typos to avoid login issues. Upon successful login, you'll want to look for a section labeled Quick Action. This feature is a great time saver, allowing you to perform common tasks without navigating through multiple menus. Click on Quick Action, and you should see a variety of options available to you. In the Quick Action menu, there'll be an option specifically for changing your PIN. Select the Change Your PIN option to proceed. As with all processes involving sensitive information, your security is a top priority. To confirm your identity, you'll need information from your physical card next. Take a moment to check the back of your Bank of America card. You'll find a security code typically used for verification. This 3-digit code is an extra layer of security, ensuring that you have the card in your possession. Enter this code carefully as prompted on the website. Next, you'll be required to enter your current PIN. This step is crucial as it validates your identity and confirms that you have the authority to make changes to your account. Type in your existing PIN and proceed to the next prompt. Now it's time to enter your new desired PIN. Choose a number that is memorable to you but difficult for others to guess. Avoid simple sequences or easily available numbers like your birth year. Type in the new PIN and then you'll likely need to re-enter it to confirm. Finally, review the information for accuracy and click Submit to confirm the change. Once processed, your new PIN will be active and ready for use. For added convenience, changing your PIN can also be done through customer service or in person at a branch, should you prefer these methods. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your PIN. Remember, keeping your PIN secure is vital, so don't share it with anyone and change it regularly to maintain account security. Thanks for watching.